Nobody is going to be able to burst this bubble that I'm experiencing right now following my New York trip away to see Oprah Winfrey and Michelle Obama with the most amazing group of strong, powerful, independent, articulate warrior women. That's all I'll say. When 5 women can survive a hotel room with 1 bathroom and 1 mirror, you know for sure that those people are doing personal development. We had an absolute ball. We ate our way through New York. We laughed, we cried, we were upset, we were full of joy, we learned loads, we leaned in, we supported each other. The notes we took, we're bringing it home, we're bringing home all of our knowledge to share. And I'm so grateful to every one of them for having that experience of sharing that with them. They held me up when I was having a wobble, which I'm going to write about soon when I get my thoughts together. And they are definitely my tribe. The feeling that you have when you know that you're with your tribe, you can achieve anything and you can get through anything. So even just from this one conversation that I'm having with you guys, look at your tribe, look at the people that you're keeping company with. Do they raise you up? Do they help you fill your boots? Do they have the invisible pom-poms? You know, are they giving you the belief in you when sometimes you're struggling to find it? And one brilliant thing that Michelle Obama discussed was the fact that sometimes she still has wobbles and that she can experience insecure days. So if Michelle Obama can have those days, we can all have those days. I have those days. And that's when I lean in and I ask for help. And I look up at that picture that Nigel McMorrow made for me, which says she remembered who she was and the game changed. So we need all of these little things, all of these little reminders for us to help us ground ourselves when we're having a moment of madness, for us to remember who we are at our core, okay? There's one person I want to thank in particular, and that's Michelle Lawless for organising the trip. Lads, the itinerary that we had, I actually thought she'd hired a company to do it. It was just outstanding. She left no stone unturned and every single detail was catered for to the nth degree. From the moment we landed in the airport, from the SUV that was waiting for us outside, to the minute that we got off that plane on the way home. She really does know how to take care of her people. And I felt very taken care of. I'll be writing about that again. Now, there's so much going on in I Am Positive Mindset, I can hardly believe and keep up with myself. So, because I haven't been around to be talking about all this, I'm just going to let you know what's happening in the next couple of weeks. There's loads happening. And you are always emailing me saying, when's the next gig? When is the next gig? This is when the gigs are happening. Okay. The next gig is Warrior Women. It's on the 24th of February. There are only 10 tickets available for this. It is a round table event, 100% anonymity. You send me your topic for discussion beforehand. We neutralise it. There's no names mentioned. We sort out your challenges on the night. You go home with a load of tools in your toolbox. It's outstanding. You're then put into a complimentary group then after that. The next gig that we have is I am speaking for Amanda Delaney at We Can and We Will Talk on the 4th of March, and that is over in Stillorgan. It is my pleasure to do that for Amanda, and I'm really, really looking forward to that. That is a complimentary gig. If those of you who have not attended We Can and We Will Talk, what are you even thinking? Sign up. Tickets are complimentary and join Amanda's group. It's outstanding. The next thing that I'm doing is also with me pal Amanda Delaney. Amanda has asked me to collaborate with her again, and we are doing the Business of You Level 2. You do not need to have attended Level 1, however, you missed out. We won't be doing that again. But the Business of You Level 2, we're going deep. We're going deep with the core values. We're going there. We're sorting out the men from the boys and the women from the girls, and you definitely will know the difference between the wood and the trees after that day. That is on the 14th of March. You cannot purchase these tickets with me because that is a We Can and We Will event. Contact Amanda's website, purchase the tickets through Amanda. The next event is Warrior Men. Now, you know, I love providing platforms for the lads because they don't have enough support. So Warrior Men is on the 30th of March. Again, it's exactly like Warrior Women. The table of 10, all the topics are neutralized. You go into a complimentary group after that. As a little add-on, I just want to say that last November, I secretly kind of wasn't really shouting about it too much, launched a guys only group. And I can tell you now, if any of the members are watching, they will tell you that the work that we're doing in there is outstanding. So it is all guys. We do personal development in there. We have check-ins from Monday to Friday to keep you accountable. And then we have one major piece of work that we do every week. Now, we do the same with the girls in the girls group. However, they do two pieces of work. Don't tell them I said that. They'll kill me for that now. But nothing like a bit of transparency and honesty. The next gig is going to be the biggest event of the year. It is Unconditionally You. This is the massive production, okay, where there's just hundreds of people, and there's cameras, and there's photographers, and there's media people, and it's a carnival, and there's a DJ, and you're going to get everything that I know in the space of 2 hours, okay? So it is on in the Hilton Hotel at Dublin Airport. And it's not kind of really Dublin Airport, it's more the N42. It's in between Darndale and Malahide. So that is on the 4th of April. I am buzzing for that. I hope you've all seen the promo video, which is promoting that at the moment. I'll stick in the tag in underneath here. I'll put the link in underneath. Can't wait for that. And then the next thing that I want to tell you is that I have decided through popular demand, it's the 4th time I've ever done this. Every time I say it's another first, I just don't think there's any more firsts that I can do. And then we discovered that we can. So we literally just finished our very first forgiveness workshop. There's talk of that happening again in June. Watch this space. However, the next big thing that's happening, next big first for I Am Positive Mindset, is I am doing positive parenting tips. I have a serious amount of kids coming up to see me here in this office. And it's the same tools that I'm giving out over and over and over and over again. So on the 25th of April, so it's after the big workshop, I'm going to be doing the positive parenting tips up here in Barlow House. I'm only doing 20 seats because I think that stuff like that needs time and it needs attention. So I would be delighted to share all of my tools with you guys with regard to how I parent my own kids, and share the tools that I give to the parents that come in here to see me, and the tools that I give out in the schools and with the sports clubs. So, Sinead, that's the story. If you have any questions, pop them in underneath. And just know that the posts that will be coming up in the next little while will be peppered with all of the knowledge and the love and the experience that we had in New York with Michelle Obama, with Oprah Winfrey, and with my amazing tribe of women that I have the pleasure of keeping company with. So have a gorgeous Thursday, and I'll catch you on the page tomorrow. Slán.